Hi everyone, welcome back. I'll be showing you how I make a moisturizing toner that's great for dry and sensitive skin. It's made with moisturizing ingredients like aloe vera gel, aloe vera juice, and it's going to leave your skin well moisturized after you use this. So I'm going to show you step by step how I make this, so let's jump right in. And if this is your first time watching any of my videos, my name is Esther and I make DIY natural hair and skincare videos. As always, I will have everything I used listed in the description box, so please check that out. I will also have the links where I typically purchase my ingredients from. So the main ingredient for this toner is aloe vera. I'm using aloe vera gel as well as the juice, and I'm also going to be using honey quat as well as glycerin. So to get started, I'm going to weigh out all my ingredients. I'm going to be using honey quat for this recipe. If you do not have this available, you can substitute with raw honey. Also, a quick reminder, my next online class is coming up August 22nd. I'll leave the registration link in the description box if you want to sign up. I'm using processed aloe vera gel. I do not recommend using fresh aloe vera gel because it does not last long in your recipe. If you do use fresh aloe vera gel, it will last anywhere from 7 to 10 days, and you have to store it in the fridge. Next up is my extract. I'm using chamomile extract. Of course, you can use any extract that you like, that's soothing and moisturizing on your skin. Suggestions would be calendula, green tea, oat extract, hibiscus extract. There's so many out there, so I'm just going to add that in. I'm going over preservatives in this video. I've gotten so many more requests to just mention some more suggestions for preservatives and how to calculate preservatives. So I'm going to show you how I calculate my preservatives. So to calculate your preservative amount, this is the formula that you use. You can screenshot this. So this is the typical formula to calculate your preservative. So the preservative example is liquid Gemol Plus. So for this preservative, the usage rate is between 0.1 to 0.5%. So I use the higher end of the usage rate. So in this case, I'm using 0.5%, and the total weight of my product is 284 grams. So I'm just going to multiply my usage rate of 0.5% multiplied by 284 grams, and that's going to give the total preservative to use when making that product. So the choice of preservatives is entirely up to you. I will leave my preservatives video linked in the description box, so if you want to check that out, it's going to be there. For this recipe, I'm using Luicidol SF Complete. It is a broad spectrum preservative, and I do go over all that in my preservatives video. So I'm just going to add that in now. I went ahead to check the pH of my toner. You want to do this to make sure that your toner falls within an acceptable range, which is acidic. The range is between 5 to 6. Mine was 5.8 and I was happy with that. So now that my face toner is ready, I'm going to go on and package this next. So to use this toner, you would use this after washing, cleansing your face. You would use your toner as your second step before you apply your moisturizer. So this is a very moisturizing toner that's not going to leave your skin stripped of moisture, but your skin is going to feel really refreshed after using this. So I hope you found this recipe helpful, you found it useful. Please don't forget to subscribe if you've not yet subscribed, and also please turn on your notifications so you don't miss any videos, and also please like this video as well, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.